In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide transitions in Canva. If you want your presentation or video to feel polished and connected, transitions are a quick way to guide your audience smoothly from one page to the next. Start by opening your presentation or video project in Canva. This works with any multi-page design, so whether you are refining a slideshow or building a short video, you are in the right place. Once your project is open, look toward the bottom of the editor. You'll see the timeline with your page thumbnails laid out side by side. Think of this as your storyboard, where each thumbnail represents a slide or scene. Now move your cursor to the space between two pages in that timeline. As you hover in the gap, Canva reveals a small plus button or a transition icon. That's your cue that a transition can be added right there. Click the plus or the transition icon to get started. When you click, a transitions panel opens on the left. This is where you choose the style that sets the tone between slides. Try effects like dissolve for a subtle fade. Slide for directional movement, match and move to animate shared elements from one page to the next, or flow for a smooth modern seal. Click through the options to preview how they look. You'll see the effect reflected immediately so you can compare and pick what fits your content. After selecting a style, refine it. Use the duration slider to control the speed. Shorter durations feel snappier, while longer ones create a more deliberate pace. You can also choose direction for effects like slide, such as left, right, up, or down. A good rule of thumb is to keep transitions consistent in length and pick directions that support your visual story, like sliding left to right to match reading order. If you want the same transition across your entire project, click Apply to all pages at the bottom of the panel. This is a great way to create a cohesive look without adjusting each gap individually. If you'd prefer variety, leave that off and set different transitions only where they add value. When you are happy with the setup, preview your design. Use the play or present controls to watch it straight through and pay attention to pacing. If something feels too fast or distracting, pause. Click the gap again and tweak the duration or style until it flows naturally. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.